Meditation is a powerful tool to help you relax, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. And one of the easiest ways to get started with meditation is by using guided meditations. In this video, we'll show you how to meditate using guided meditation, step by step. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Mindfulness for more videos. Let's start now. Step 1. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. Finding a peaceful and comfortable spot to sit is the first stage in guided meditation. You have the option of sitting on a chair, a cushion, or even the floor. Just make sure you're comfy and won't be interrupted while you meditate. Step 2. Choose a guided meditation that suits your needs. There are several sorts of guided meditations accessible, so it is essential to select one that is appropriate for your requirements. If you're anxious, for example, you may try a guided meditation that focuses on relaxation. If you want to enhance your self-esteem, you may try a guided meditation that focuses on self-esteem. And if you want to learn more about meditation and mindfulness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. Step 3. Get into a comfortable position. Once you've decided on a guided meditation, choose a comfortable posture. Sit with your back straight, feet on the floor, and hands on your lap. You can choose to close your eyes or leave them open, whatever is more comfortable for you. Step 4. Listen to the guided meditation. It's now time to begin the guided meditation. Listen to the voice leading you through the meditation while you play your audio or video. The voice will frequently ask you to concentrate on your breathing, your body, or your thoughts. Simply follow the directions and take a deep breath. Step 5. Breathe deeply and let go of any tension. Take deep breaths and let go of any stress in your body while you listen to the guided meditation. With each breath, feel the stress and tension leave your body. Allow yourself to truly unwind. Step 6. Focus on the present moment. Concentrate on the current moment as you meditate. Allow your ideas to pass through you without judgment. Simply watch your thoughts and emotions without becoming engrossed in them. Continue to breathe deeply and be present. Step 7. End your meditation slowly. Take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes when the guided meditation concludes. Take a time to reflect on how you are feeling. You could feel more relaxed, peaceful, or concentrated than you did before. Carry this emotion with you throughout the day. That's all. You've just learned how to meditate with the help of guided meditation. Remember that meditation is a discipline, therefore make it a habit. Begin with a few minutes every day and progressively increase the duration as you gain confidence. You'll be able to realize the advantages of meditation and enhance your general well-being with practice. Thank you so much for being here. We so appreciate you, and if you enjoyed this content, we invite you to subscribe for more. Thanks again.